the write-on transaction is used to account for the increase in stock of an item in a particular location. It can be reached from the Inventory module and then clicking on the write-on button. This brings up the screen. Optionally, the employee can enter who they are. Otherwise, we scan in the warehouse that we're in, assign the reason code, scan in the item, scan in the location if the item is location controlled, then enter the quantity that's being written on. In this case, we're writing on 10 to that particular location. So if we now look for that item in that location, we should see that it has increased by 10. If the item is lot controlled, then obviously we need to assign a lot number. This can either be an existing lot or a new lot number. In this case, it's a date controlled item as well. So I'm going to put in the date relating to this particular item and the quantity. If the item is serial controlled, then I'll specify the location, then the quantity that is being written on. I can either get the system to generate the serial numbers, or if the item is already serialized, I can scan in the serial number from the items. This will create these as valid serial numbers in that particular location for that item.